Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to pay my respect to the most venerable Dr. Phramaha the abbot of Buddhapanya Society in Pomona, California. I also extend my humble respect to all the venerable monks, and a very welcome to everyone watching us on Facebook Live. Okay, I'm gonna go updates again. I'm currently taking of ESL classes at San Antonio College. I have not mastered English yet, but my skills are far from perfect. I am still starting out as a beginner, but I'm taking process step by step. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Venerable Dr. Phramaha for his kindness, guidance, and for looking after me so well. I also deepest gratitude to all the venerable monks and all the lay devotees who have backed up me and kindly allowed me to come to the United States. Exactly because of your generosity, I have set out and this journey to learn authentic English, like American English, pick up natural pronunciation, and learn directly from our native speakers. This valuable experience is helping me build up my confidence when giving Dhamma talks in English. I think so. I sincerely appreciate your trust and compassion. I will do my best to study hard and pass on this Dhamma for the benefits of all. The same thing. Today I would like to share a story from Dhammapada or Dhammabuta. Right. Today I prepare maybe 3 or 4 stories. Okay. Before we gonna start, I'm gonna read them in Pali language. Akkakari mang, Watcharin mang, Ashini mang, ahasi me. Te jatang upanai hanti, te sang, verang te sang na sammati. Akkakari mang, Watcharin mang, Ashini mang, ahasi mang. Te jatang nopanai hanti, verang te sopa sammati. The English is he abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he adopted me. In those who harbor such thoughts or hatred in not appeased. And the another one, he abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me. In those who do not harbor such thoughts, hatred is appeased. Yes. ถ้าเป็นภาษาไทยก็แปลว่าเขาได้ด่าเราได้ตีเราได้ชนะเราได้ปล้นเราสำหรับผู้ที่ผูกความคิดไว้เช่นนี้ความโกรธแค้นก็ย่อมไม่สงบระงับ The another one เขาได้ด่าเราได้ตีเราได้ชนะเราได้ปล้นเราสำหรับผู้ที่ไม่ผูกความคิดเช่นนี้ไว้ความโกรธแค้นย่อมสงบระงับ They have like a two opposite way the first thing is the good thing, or the bad thing, right? The second one is a good thing, opposite, two ways. Okay, I'm gonna read English again. Okay, he abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me. In those who harbored such thoughts are haters in not appeared. Yes. Or the another one, he abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me. In those who do not harbor such thoughts, haters is appeared. Yeah. Two kinds. Okay, I'm gonna start story. The old man who retaliated or ติสสะเทระ okay. Okay. Or ติสสะ is a person of the cousin of the Buddha. Had become a bhikkhu only in his old age. He later to pose as a senior bhikkhu and was very pleased when visiting bhikkhus asked his permission to do something service for him. On the other hand, he failed to pay or due respect to the senior bhikkhus. Besides, he often sorry if I spell this or if I pronounce this word wrong. Or like it's ทะเลาะ something like that. With the younger bhikkhus, should anyone rebuke him on account of his behavior, he would go complain to the Buddha. Weeping, very much dissatisfied and very upset. Okay. Okay. The Buddha who understood the position advised Tissa to change his behavior and not to harbor thought of hatred against anyone, for hatred could only be, it's very hard, or could very be eradicated, right? Eradicated by not harboring hatred. The Buddha says it was not the first time Tissa has been obstinate. Yes, obstinate. He has also been obstinate, right? Obstinate, yes. Obstinate in previous life. The Buddha then revealed that in one of his past existences, Tissa has been an obstinate ascetic by the name of Tewala. As a result of a misunderstanding, he killed a very holy religion teachers in spite of the intervention and persuasion of the king to seek the pardon of the religion's teacher. Tevala refused to do so. Finally, the king had to physically force him to seek the pardon of the religion's teacher. Yes, the story about Akkochi Mang, Watati Mang, Ashini Mang, Ahasi Mang, Te Jatang, Te Jatang Upanai Hanti, Te Sang Verang นะสัมมตินะครับก็แปลว่าคนใครที่คิดว่าเขาด่าเราเขาทำร้ายเราเขาชนะเราเขาขโมยของเขาเราก็เวรก็ย่อมไม่ระงับนะครับ The another thingอักโกชิมังวัฏติมังอาชินิมังอาหาสิมังเตจะตังนูปนัยหันติเวรังเตสูปสัมมตินะครับใครไม่คิดว่าอันนี้เป็นอันที่ดีนะใครไม่คิดว่ามันด่าเรามันทำร้ายเรามันชนะเรามันขโมยของเราเวรก็ย่อมระงับนะฮะ Okay, I'm gonna read this Buddha's speech again. He abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me. In those who harbor such thoughts, hatred is not appeased. แล้วก็อีกอันหนึ่งครับ He abused me, he beat me, he defeated me, he robbed me. In those who do not harbor such thoughts, hatred is appeased. โอเคอันนี้ก็เป็นเรื่องของปฏิสัทธิระนะครับโอเคต่อไปเป็นเรื่องของนางยักษินีนะครับชื่อว่ากาลีภาษาอังกฤษเขาบอกว่าanger is conquered by love อันนี้ก็คือความโกรธย่อมชนะได้ด้วยความรักนะครับความรักภาษาบาลีเขาบอกว่านะหิเวเรนะเวลานิสัมมันติทะกุทาจนังอะเวเรนะจะสัมมันติเอสะธัมโมสนันตโนนะฮะก็ภาษาอังกฤษเขาบอกว่า hatred never cease through hatred in this world through love alone they cease this is and are eternal law ก็คือว่าเวรทั้งหลายในโลกนี้ย่อมไม่สงบระงับด้วยเวรแต่ย่อมสงบระงับด้วยเมตตานะครับเขาใช้คำว่า love นะฮะOkay, I'm going to start this story. เรื่องยักษินีนะครับชื่อว่ากาลี Okay, once there lived a householder whose wife was barren, being unable to bear a child and afraid that she would be mistreated by her husband and her mother-in-law. She herself selected and arranged for her husband to marry another woman. But on two occasions, as soon as she knew their second wife was pregnant, The barren wife gave her food mixed with drugs, causing her to have a miscarriages. How can I say this? Miscarriages, yes, on her third pregnancy. The fruitful wife kept it to herself without informing the barren wife. Yeah. But when the latter came to know about it, she again caused an abortion. Eventually, the second wife died in childbirth. Before her death, the unfortunate woman was filled with hatred and vowed vengeance on the barren wife and her future offspring. Thus the feud started. Okay, I continue. Among their later assistances, the two were reborn as a hen and a cat. ก็คือเป็นแม่ไก่กับแมวนะฮะไปเกิดอีกครั้งหนึ่งเป็นแม่ไก่กับแมวนะฮะ a doe and a leopardess, and finally as the daughter of nobleman in Savatthi and an ogress. One day the demon ก็คือนางยักษ์ค่ะนางยักษินีชื่อว่ากาลีนะฮะ was in hot pursuit of the nobleman's daughter and her baby. When the lady heard that the Buddha was giving a religious discourse at the Shetawan monastery, she flew to him and placed her son at his feet for protection. ก็คือเอาลูกชายของตัวเองออกไปไว้ใกล้พระบาทของพระพุทธเจ้านะครับเพราะว่าจะได้แบบพระพุทธเจ้าจะได้คุ้มครองจากนางยักษินีนะฮะ The demons was thus provided from entering the monastery นะฮะก็คือนางยักษินีก็ถูกเทวดาขัดขวางนะครับไม่ให้เข้าไปในวิหารฮะshe was later called and in and both the lady and the ogress were admonished by the Buddha พระพุทธเจ้าก็ต่อไปนะ the Buddha taught them about their past fear as reviled wives and how they had been harboring hatred towards each other and killing each other offspring through their various lives. They were made to see that hatred could only cause more hatred, and that it could only cause through friendship, understanding, and goodwill. Both realize their mistakes and on the admonition of the Buddha made their peace with each other. The Buddha then requested the woman to hand over her son to the ogress ก็คือให้นางยักษ์นะฮะfearing for the safety of her son. She hesitated, but because of her devotion and confidence in the enlightened one, she handed over her son as directed. The child was warmly received by the ogress. After kissing and caressing the child gently, like her very own son, the ogress handed over the child back to his mother. As a result of this episode, there was much goodwill on both sides. ก็คาถาในเรื่องนางยักษินีนะครับก็ขึ้นต้นว่านะหิเวเลนะเวลานิสัมมันติทะพุทาจนังเวเลนะจะสัมมันติเอสะธัมโมสนันตโนก็แปลว่าถ้าแปลเป็นภาษาไทยก็แปลว่าแต่ไหนแต่ไรมานะครับในโลกนี้เวรย่อมไม่ระงับด้วยการจองเวรนะครับแต่เวรย่อมระงับด้วยการไม่จองเวร This is an internal law ก็เป็นกฎตายตัวนะครับ internal law Oh my god I have 4 minutes Okay I'm gonna talk about next story What is next story Pareja is it เรื่องภิกษุชาวโกสัมพีทะเลาะกันนะครับคาถาก็เริ่มต้นว่าปะเรจะนะวิชานันติมายะเมถะยะมามะเสเยจะตถะวิชานันติตะโตสัมมันติเมทคานะฮะชื่อเรื่องถ้าเป็นภาษาอังกฤษเขาบอกว่า quarrels cease through writing thinking นะฮะthe others know not that in this quarrel we perish. Those of them who realize it have their quarrels calmed thereby. อันนี้ก็เป็นภาษาอังกฤษของคาถานี้นะครับถ้าแปลเป็นภาษาไทยก็แปลว่าคนทั่วไปมักนึกไม่ถึงว่าตนกำลังพินาศเพราะการทะเลาะวิวาททุ่มเถียงกันส่วนผู้รู้ความจริงก็ย่อมไม่ทะเลาะกันนะฮะ The other know not that in this quarrel we purchase those of them who realize it have their quarrels calmed thereby something like that Okay let's do our story The quarrelsome bhikkhus of Gosampi Okay a trivial incident led to an unfortunate dispute amongst the bhikkhus of Gosampi. One group followed the master of Vinaya, ก็คือ one group ก็คือยึดพระวินัยเป็นหลักนะครับ and the another follow the teachers of the Dhamma ก็คือยึดพระธรรมเป็นหลักนะครับ and they were often quarreling like a เถียงกันนะฮะ among themselves they did not even listen to the Dhammas to the Buddha's advice ก็คือไม่สนใจคำสั่งสอนของพระพุทธเจ้านะ but the Buddha knew that eventually they would realize their mistake so he left them and went to spend the Phansa but it means the rainy season retreat or alone in the forest where an elephant and a monkey attended to him. Okay, where is this? Okay, the lay disciples of Gosampi, on learning the reasons for the absence of the Buddha, referred to make offerings to the bhikkhus. This made the later realize their folly and oh my goodness. Let me check how to pronounce this word. Reconciliation. Okay, reconciliation took place. Still, the lay followers would not treat the monks as respectfully as they had done before, until they admitted that it was therefore that the Buddha had left the vicinity. They were told to ask the pardon of the Buddha, but the Buddha was away, and it was in the middle of the Phansa or the rainy retreat season retreat. So the bhikkhus of Gosampi spent the Phansa. Is this book they spell with this word Vassa, Vassa, something like that. Vassa, maybe Vassa, in monastery and handship. Okay, at the end of the Phansa, Venerable Ananda or Pa Ananda and many other bhikkhus conveyed the message to the Buddha and implored him to return, assuring him that they had realized the error of their ways. In due course, the Buddha returned to Shetawan Monastery in Savatthi. When the bhikkhus saw the Buddha, they paid their respects and admitted their faults หลังจากสำนึกผิดได้ฮะหลังจากที่พระพุทธเจ้าปลีกตัวหนีไปเพราะว่าภิกษุทะเลาะกันนะฮะ The Buddha then admonish them that life is impermanent and therefore they must stop their quarrels and not act as if they would never die ก็คือว่าก็พระพุทธเจ้าก็บอกว่าก็ประทานโอวาทเตือนสติว่าชีวิตเป็นของไม่เที่ยงนะฮะก็คือ life is impermanent จงหยุดการทะเลาะวิวาทและอย่าทำตนเหมือนว่าจะไม่รู้จักตายนะก็คือ they must stop their quarrels and not act as if they would never die อันนี้ก็เป็นเรื่องของภิกษุชาวเมืองโกสัมพีนะครับก็ขึ้นต้นด้วยการถามว่าปะเรจานะวิชานันติมยะเมถายะมามะเสเยจะตถาวิชานันติตโตสัมมันติเมทคานะฮะก็แปลว่าคนทั่วไปมักนึกไม่ถึงว่าตนกำลังพินาศเพราะความวิวาทเพราะการเถียงกันนะฮะส่วนผู้รู้ความจริงก็ย่อมไม่ทะเลาะวิวาทต่อไปนะฮะภาษาอังกฤษบอกว่า the others know not that in this quarrel we purge those of them who realize it have their quarrels calm thereby okay 3 story for today Okay, I will see you again on today, Monday, Thursday, Friday, and we're gonna talk about these books again, right? ธรรมบทนะครับธรรมปา Okay, if I make any mistakes in my pronunciation or grammar, something like that, I kindly ask the group for your understanding. Thank you for your kind attention. May you all be blessed with peace and happiness. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.